Okay, hi everybody. Somebody had asked for an example of solving an equation. It's an exponential logarithmic equation where there's the numbers aren't quite so nice; they don't connect so cleanly here. So let's take a look at something like this. Let's say I've got 2 raised to the power of log base 7 of x, and that's equal to 9, and I want to solve for x here. Well, typically when I'm going to approach this thing here, because the variable is in the exponent, I'm going to do the same thing here that I would do with any question that had the variable in the exponent like this. I'm going to take the log of both sides. Now, this isn't the only way to do this, but whoops, this is certainly our way to do this. I'm going to take the log of both sides. I'll take the log base 10 of both sides because that's a convenient base for me to work in. Okay, although it really could be anything. The reason why I do this is because one of the rules of logarithms is that I can then bring the exponent down. So on that left-hand side here, I can bring that log base 7 of x down, multiplied by the log base 10 of 2 is equal to the log base 10 of 9. My goal here is to get the x by itself here. So I've got these two factors. I'm going to divide by that log base 10 of 2. So this becomes the log of 9 divided by the log of 2. Now, all I have to do is convert the logarithm on the left-hand side into its exponential form here. So the base is 7, okay? So essentially what's going to happen here is x is going to equal 7 raised to the exponent, the power that's on the right-hand side there. So it's going to be raised to the log of 9 divided by the log of 2. Okay, and that's essentially how you would do it. There's really not much difference answering this question having an x, just an x in the in the exponent, I should say, like 2 to the x equals 9. The procedure is basically the same until we get down to this step right here, in which case there's one more step where I just have to convert that logarithm into its exponential form. And that's it. So I hope that offers a little bit of clarity on a question like this. Essentially, what you can do is you can just move forward, solving it just the way we solved any of those other questions. But there's probably going to introduce this one last step where we're going to convert forms just to get the variable by itself.